Hi everyone, welcome to Tibran's channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fill empty cells in Excel smartly. Do you still fill this kind of gaps by typing like this? This is time consuming. So I want to show you a way to do this by a simple click that will fill all these. For instance here, the word laptop should be appearing up to that point and all are under stroke A. So I'm not going to type laptop though several times to fill the empty cells. Same to here, applied to all these. So just allow me to zoom a bit. And the hint I've given you here, you're going to use a Control G and then you'll Control Enter. So let's do it practically. So the first thing, let's highlight the whole table, for which you just the first row, then Shift Control down. You'll have highlighted all of the data you want. Then Control G, it will bring this kind of a cell, then press on special, then blanks. By doing so, you will have highlighted the blanks. Then don't click anywhere as it is. Press is equal sign, as you can see it's here, and it's still highlighted. Then you press the cell above it, which is store A. Then just control enter, and you're done. Follow us for more tricks and subscribe to our channel.